spent almost my whole working life at GRW. I don't see myself working somewhere else. GRW is a great place to work, great environment, great people. It's just a great place to be.
This is a place where you can enjoy working, learn new stuff every day, and go home feeling that you accomplished something.
GRW is a little bit different. It's easy to come into work when you respect the people that you work with. And GRW has this very strong family bond. We all have the same goal. We have the same common goal at the end of the day, is to work well at GRW for one cause, which is to provide the customer what they need.
I'm most grateful to be here at GRW because of the opportunity to move up and to grow.
I have all my friends at GRW. I've known these people for years. You feel like your family. Everybody you work with have a great chemistry, great company culture. GRW is so diverse that you have some type of rich culture in a company that you see people from all sorts of life and all sorts of nationality and all spectrum.
We like family because, like I said, we know each other, we trust each other, we know what to do, we know how to be done, and pretty much it's about that. This is like GRW Family, that's what we call it, because we like a family here.